Yo, shout out to Mr. Peterson. He be on that muscle milk. Swag. Shout out to Demetrius also. He's got that curly hair. And he don't even care. Alright, let's go. Started from Algebra, now I'm here. Went from Precalc to stats in a year. I just like to copy off my peers. Psych, when I studied, I put it into 5th gear. Started from Algebra, now I'm here. Went from Precalc to stats in a year. I just like to copy off my peers. Psych, when I studied, I put it into 5th gear. If you were to describe me in stats, I'd be a meme. To get 100 on my test could only be a dream. So I'm getting 50s and everyone's being mean. But at least my swag still be staying super clean. One thing I remember is if the p-value's low, you reject that hoe. You mean this kind of hoe? Hell no. The one in the hypothesis, which is the null. Some problems may be fun, but others may be dull. The sample could be small, or it could be big. You could study the time it takes to break a twig. If alternative is true, the null is declined. Just remember that you heard this info from an Einstein. Started from Algebra, now I'm here. Went from Precalc to stats in a year. I just like to copy off my peers. Psych, when I study, I put it into 5th gear. Started from Algebra, now I'm here. Went from Precalc to stats in a year. I just like to copy off my peers. Psych, when I study, I put it into 5th gear. They call me model when I'm up in statistics. When I'm on my calculator, I'm punching in them digits. But it's hard for me when my brain's the size of a midget. But I do the best I can and offer my assistance. When I do my homework, I do it in a hurry. Cause questions get worded and my eyes get blurry. But at the end of the day, I make my homework say mercy. And I know I got nothing to worry. To keep things simple, use an SRS. A simple random sample can sometimes be the best. Now go and get an A on your next stats test. Dang, man, I just put this beat to rest. Started from Algebra, now I'm here. Went from Precalc to stats in a year. I just like to copy off my peers. Psych, when I studied, I put it into 5th gear. Started from Algebra, now I'm here. Went from Precalc to stats in a year. I just like to copy off my peers. Psych, when I study, I put it into 5th gear. And remember, the results are the measure, and avoid biases, so results will be better. You think it would dent if I stand on here?
Yeah, I mean it'll pop out.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah. Hey man, this could end up on ridiculousness if you crash.